All right, so a little bit of setup here. That's really close. I have to hold it back here. I've been wanting to try one of those Impossible Whoppers for like, I don't know. Not that long, like a week. Like when I heard it, I was like, that's kind of stupid. But then the more I keep seeing those stupid commercials, I'm like, I kind of want to try one of those. So then Mark here gets in the car, and he's like, I'm going to McDonald's for lunch. And I was like, ew. And then he goes, I'm going to go to Burger King and buy one of those. And I go, Impossible Whoppers? And he goes, yep. And I go,
yeah,
get in. So that's what we're doing right now. Shaky cam.
I've been wanting to try it since it first came out.
Yeah.
Do you have a fucking stand?
I don't have a stand. Do you have a problem with that?
Oh, no.
All right, so my original plan was to get an Impossible Whopper. You put it on yourself, too. You know,
Just, well, I don't know. It's fucking,
you don't know how to operate a phone.
Yeah, I know how to opt a phone. It's just, trying to.
So, get yourself
you.
it's a Whopper and then an Impossible Whopper.
I really got a lot of weight here, huh?
And try it. Yeah. So I was gonna do it and then try and guess the difference between a regular Whopper and an Impossible Whopper. But, well, that's just a lot of effort. I wanted to try it against a regular Whopper to see if I could notice the difference, but we don't have time to do that. So we're just gonna get some of these and give you a fresh review. Dags reviews the Impossible Whopper.
Hi, how can I help you?
Hey, can I get 2 Improbable Whoppers?
Possible.
Anything else?
Nope, that's it. She didn't find the funny.
$13.25.
Thank you. Yikes, $13.
That come with fries and stuff?
I don't think so. Did you want the fries?
No, maybe I wanted a meal.
I didn't ask for that.
Yeah, no, because you didn't even say it right. And she, well, how's she gonna find it funny? You're supposed to say a meal.
I don't want the meal though. I just want the burger.
I gotta work a double. I'm a fat kid.
We'll pull back around.
Oh, we're gonna pull around? What? Just tell the girl at the window.
The shingles aren't even. Yeah, they just spray it with blue paint. They don't care anymore. Burger King's really let itself go. Coming from 2 people who've let themselves go. We know when you're letting yourself go.
Yeah, I'm on a diet. That's why I'm getting it.
That's why I want the burger only.
Yeah.
This is good. I'm gonna make a prediction right now. It's not gonna be worth it.
No.
I can't stand fast food, especially if I'm sober. Fast food's awful.
You see why I wanted fries? So if the burger tastes like ass, which I feel like it's gonna taste like ass, I have a backup to make it,
You can just wash it down with fries and
Yeah.
wet sugar water.
Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah, talk about sugar water. Yeah, you didn't even know what a goddamn soda because you got your little.
You know, water.
Yeah,
you know,
your
water.
Is that the Market Basket one that's killing everybody?
Bottled by Niagara Bottling Company. So it's like the same that does like.
Oh no, I think it's like the Coke stuff.
Don't like that angle. It's like, yeah.
The Coke one is from.
Ew. Okay, so after a debacle of not ordering the right things, apparently, this is Melo over here.
Pretty big.
Yeah, I mean, it was $16 for 1 meal and 1 burger. It kind of had a weird smell to it. Like, I was smelling it. Look at this. It's got cheese all in the wrapper. Fucking wonder why these people make minimum wage. It looks like a veggie burger right off the bat. Mine's kind of crudely assembled. Oh, fucking dropping lettuce here. You don't like pickles?
I do, but I don't know. Just yeah, I want to try it.
It's definitely not bad.
I gotta go in for a second bite. Hold on.
One bite, everybody knows the rules. I'd be curious without
the stuff.
yeah,
Try it without the
lettuce and tomato. Let's go in for that one because I feel like it's being masked because I taste a lot of tomato.
or the mayo.
Yeah. Just the patty here.
Well, that's what I did. I took a little piece, and it actually isn't that bad. I mean, I don't know.
No, it's definitely not. I haven't. So on a scale, I haven't eaten a veggie burger in a long time. I had one like a long time ago.
I don't know what they put in it, but if you eat that little piece,
it doesn't taste like it tastes like a burger.
Yeah, it actually
tastes less burgery than a burger, if that makes sense.
No, it does.
It's like a light burger, like a diet burger. I would say not bad. I would definitely rather order this than a full burger because it just feels like it's less, like lighter.
Well, I mean, as much as some of the burgers taste like ass now,
Yeah.
This actually makes it taste a little bit of an ass taste, and like if that makes sense. This is a good booty. Like
This is good ass. If it's ass eating season, sign me up. Let me get my license. I thought it was gonna taste just like the. Yeah, I don't know what I was expecting.
so we go there. We ask them for a plain Whopper. And we ask them for this thing. Put it in the bag so we don't know what it is. Then we try to guess. We'll pull out each burger. You start on one end of the burger. I'll start on the other end of the burger. We'll meet in the middle and we'll sit and we'll
Like a gay burger chicken.
yeah, and we'll try to decide what it is. What kind of meat is in our mouth.
So that's it. I would say not bad. Impossible? Nothing's impossible. Anything actually is possible. So